First of all, just open your Epic Games Launcher as you normally would, and then just also sign in. And then head over to your library and click on the three dots at your Fall Guys installation, and then click on Manage. And here, make sure to, first of all, turn on this auto update function here. Make sure to turn this on. And then at installation, click on this folder icon here, right next to uninstall. And then make sure to find the Fall Guys underline client.exe. Right click on this application here, click on Properties. And then change over to compatibility, and here you need to make sure to set the following settings. First of all, try running this program in compatibility mode 4, set this setting here, and then change to Windows 8, it's perfectly fine. And then down here also try disabling the full screen optimizations and try running this program as an administrator every time you launch it, and then click on Apply. And if you're using or playing 4 years on 2 or more users, click on Change Settings for all users. If not, just click on OK. And then, just try launching 4 years again. If it still did not work, then follow the second step here. Open your settings, or no, we can already head over to Add or Remove Programs, Faster. And then, when this list with all of your programs loads up, type in Epic. And then you need to make sure to deinstall the Epic Online Services. So just on these 3 dots here, click on these, and then just click on Uninstall and click on Uninstall. And then just follow the uninstallation steps. And that's already it. That's how you can fix this issue. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in this comment section below. Then I'll write you back as soon as possible, and we will surely find a solution. But that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.